National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Smith County in northeastern Texas until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Edom, or 14 miles west of Tyler, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tyler, White House, Lindale, Lake Palestine, Dunday, New Chapel Hill, Red Springs, and Carroll. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Smith, Texas. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Van Zandt County in north-central Texas, northeastern Henderson County in central Texas, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Edom, or 13 miles west of Tyler, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Chandler and Lake Palestine around 3:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Redland and Primrose. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Henderson and Van Zandt. The National